everyone. Today we are Group 3 and we will be discussing working in PR, all you need to know before getting a PR job, presented by Arenas, Bermas, Ramos, Tejada, and Violago. Next slide, please. So, what is public relations? Public relations is managing the communications between an organization and its audience to build a positive image. Its goals is to foster relationship with the public, media, investors, and other key stakeholders. Next slide, please.
Key responsibilities in PR. Media relation. Building relationship with journalists and media outlets. Second one is press releases and communication. Writing and distributing press materials. Third one is crisis management. Managing communication during challenging situation. For the fourth, event management. Planning and executing events to boost brand visibility. And lastly, social media management, handling brand communication across platforms. For the skills needed for PR job, first one is strong writing skills, ability to craft press releases, pitches, and reports. Second one is communication skills, excellent verbal and interpersonal communication. For the third one is creativity, innovative thinking for campaigns and strategies. For the fourth, problem solving, handling PR crisis and unexpected challenges. Lastly, attention to detail, ensuring accurate messaging and brand consistency. Next slide, please.
For PR industry trends, digital PR, increased use of social media and online platforms, influencer partnerships, leveraging influencers for brand promotion, data-driven decisions, using analytics to measure PR campaign success, diversity and inclusion, PR focusing on inclusivity and diverse voices. Lastly, reputation management, maintaining brand image in a fast-paced world. Next slide. Education and qualifications. Relevant degrees. Journalism communications, marketing or public relations. Certifications. PRSA, Public Relations Society of America certifications, social media and digital marketing courses, internships, gaining hands-on experience with PR agencies or in-house PR departments.
Types of PR jobs. In-house PR. Working directly for a company to manage its PR efforts. Agency PR. Working at a PR agency with various clients across industries. Freelance PR. Offering PR service on a project-by-project basis. Corporate communication. Managing internal communication and branding. Next slide, please. Key challenges in PR. Maintaining positive media coverage, balancing honest reporting and brand reputation, crisis management, handling negative press or controversies, high pressures, meeting tight deadlines and managing client expectations, constant adaptation, keeping up with changing media landscape and technologies. Next slide, please.
So for the career progression in PR, entry level, PR assistants, media relation coordinator, and mid-level, PR manager, and senior PR specialist. Senior level, director, VP of communications, leadership roles, chief communication officer, and PR agency owner. Next, please. How to get started in PR? Networking, attend industry event, join PR organizations, and build your portfolio. Work on writing a samples, internship, and projects. Stay informed, keep up with trends and innovations in PR industry. Be persistent, PR is competitive. Staying persistent and gaining experience is key. Next, please.